Hi, hello friends. This is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ పైన మాక్ టెస్ట్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాను. మాక్ టెస్ట్ నెంబర్ 3. అండ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే కదా, క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ కి మధ్య 5 seconds గ్యాప్ ఇస్తాను. అండ్ ఆ 5 seconds లో మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఏంటనేది గెస్ చేయండి. దట్స్ ఇట్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. In FM, the carrier deviation is determined by dash. Option A, modulating voltage. Option B, frequency. Option C, either of the above two. Option D, none of the above. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ, మాడ్యులేటింగ్ వోల్టేజ్. సెకండ్ బిట్, the percentage of modulation for 45 kHz deviation in the FM broadcast band will be option A 30, option B 60, option C 40, option D 90. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి 60%. థర్డ్ బిట్, the RF section of a radio transmit generally consists of dash. Option A, master oscillator. Option B, final power amplifier to feed antenna. Option C, buffer stage. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option D, all of the above. Fourth bit, which of the following can be a source of high frequency parasites? Option A, coupling capacitor. Option B, bypass capacitor. Option C, inductance of the connecting leads. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, inductance of the connecting leads. Fifth bit, pulse modulation is used in option A, radio navigation. Option B, automatic landing equipment. Option C, data communications. Option D, all of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option D, all of the above. Sixth bit, in pulse transmitter the ratio of time on the time off in pulse transmitter the ratio of time on to time off is called option A, efficiency. Option B, duty cycle. Option C, base. Option D, bandwidth. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, duty cycle. Seventh bit, in pulse modulation, modulating intelligence controls dash. Option A, pulse width. Option B, pulse amplitude. Option C, pulse phasing. Option C, pulse spacing. Option D, any one of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option A, pulse width. Eighth bit, during amplitude modulation, the phase angle of the modulating voltage changes by option A, 180 degrees. Option B, 90 degrees. Option C, 45 degrees. Option D, 0 degrees. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option D, 0 degrees. Ninth bit, which of the following is likely to be the bandwidth of a FM receiver? Option A, 5 kHz. Option B, 20 kHz. Option C, 200 kHz. Option D, 20 mHz. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, 200 kHz. 10th bit, in amplified modulation receiver, the oscillator frequency is option A, always equal to signal frequency. Option B, always equal to 455 kHz. Option C, always higher than signal frequency. Option D, always lower than signal frequency. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option C, always higher than signal frequency. 11th bit, The EMF induced in the DC generator is alternating 1 and this is converted into direct EMF by option A slip ring, option B carbon brush, option C commutator, option D end rings. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C commutator. 12th bit. The direction of induced EMF is determined by using dash. Option A Fleming's right hand rule, option B Fleming's left hand rule, option C Ohm's law, option D mutual induction. Answer guess change friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option A Fleming's right hand rule. 13th bit. The yoke or frame of the DC machine is made of dash. Option A copper, option B aluminium, option C cast iron, option D bronze. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C cast iron. 14th bit. Interpoles are provided to dash. Option A generate the EMF, option B operate in overload, option C economical bias, option D improve commutation. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D improving commutation. 15th bit. Armature lamination is about dash. Option A 1 centimeter thick, option B 1 millimeter thick, option C 0.5 millimeter thick, option D 0.5 inches thick. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C 0.5 millimeter thick. 16th bit. Compensating windings are provided in slots made on the dash. Option A armature, option B main pole faces, option C interpole faces, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B main pole faces. 17th bit. The principle of operation of DC motor is dash. Option A Fleming's right hand rule, option B Fleming's left hand rule, option C Ohm's law, option D Ampere rule. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B Fleming's left hand rule. 18th bit. Compound motor can be classified as dash. Option A long shunt, option B short shunt, option C long shunt and short shunt, option D none of this. Answer guess change friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option C long shunt and short shunt. 19th bit. The series field winding has dash. Option A thin conductor, option B thick conductor, option C large number of turns, option D thick conductor with less number of turns. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D thick conductor with less number of turns. 20th bit. The shunt field winding has dash. Option A smaller cross sectional area with large number of turns, option B higher cross sectional area with small number of turns, option C carrying the lull armature current, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A smaller cross sectional area with large number of turns. 21st bit. To convert moving coil galvanometer into a ammeter, which of the following method is used? Option A small resistance in series, option B small resistance in parallel, option C high resistance in series, ఆప్షన్ డి హై రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఇన్ ప్యారలల్. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి స్మాల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఇన్ ప్యారలల్. 22nd bit. The use of dash instrument is mainly used in laboratory as standardization instrument. Option A absolute, option B inducting, option C recording, option D integrating. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A absolute. 23rd bit. Which of the following is integrating meter? Option A ammeter, option B voltmeter, option C watt meter, option D watt hour meter. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B voltmeter. 24th bit. Ampere hour meter is an example of option A absolute instruments, option B indicating instruments, option C recording instruments, option D integrating instrument. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D integrating instruments. 25th one. Instruments work on electromagnetic effect are called. Option A hot wire meters, option B dynamometer type, option C inducting meter, option D electrostatic type. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C induction meters. 26th bit. Hot wire instruments works based on dash. Option A magnetic effect, option B electromagnetic effect, option C electrostatic effect, option D thermal effect. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D thermal effect. 27th bit. DC ampere hour meter functions based on dash. Option A chemical effect, option B electromagnetic effect, option C electrostatic effect, option D thermal effect. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A chemical effect. 28th one. Ammeter is used to measure. Option A current, option B voltage, option C power, option D frequency. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A current. 29th bit. Voltmeter is used to measure. Option A current, option B voltage, option C power, option D frequency. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B voltage. 30th bit. Ammeter is connected to the circuit in dash. Option A parallel, option B series, option C series parallel, option D none. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B series. 31st bit. The number of levels in a digital signal is dash. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 10. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B 2. 32nd bit. A pure sine wave is option A digital signal, option B an analog signal, option C can be digital or analog signal, option D none of this. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B an analog signal. 33rd bit. The slow turning of a potentiometer is dash. Option A digital input, Option B, analog output. Option C, nature of output depends on voltage. Option D, it depends on resolution of the potentiometer. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer chesi option B, analog output. 34th bit. Which of the following can provide a digital signal? Option A, slow change in the value of a resistor. Option B, sine wave. Option C, square wave. Option D, gradual turning of a potentiometer. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, square wave. 35th bit. The high voltage level of a digital signal in positive logic is dash. Option A 1, option B 0, option C either 1 or 0, option D none of the above. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A 1. 36th bit. A device that converts from decimal to binary number is called dash. Option A, decoder. Option B, encoder. Option C, CPU. Option D, converter. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, encoder. 37th bit. Decimal 15 in binary system can be written as dash. Option A, 1111. Option B, 1110. Option C, 1100. Option D, 1000. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, 1111. 36th bit. If 4 in binary system is 100, then 8 will be dash. Option A 10, option B 100, option C 111, option D 1000. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D 1000. 39th bit. Binary 1010 in decimal system is equivalent to dash. Option A 13, option B 19, option C 10, option D 23. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C 10. 40th bit. Binary 1111 when subtracted from binary 11111, then result in binary is dash. Option A 111111, option B 1111, option C 1000, option D 10000. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D 10000. 41st bit. Photocell is used to convert dash. Option A, current into light energy. Option B, light energy into current. Option C, chemical energy into current. Option D, chemical energy into light. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, light energy into current. 42nd bit. Which of the following are photosensitive metal? Option A, sodium. Option B, potassium. Option C, lithium. Option D, all of them. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of them. 43rd bit. Piezoelectricity is produced due to dash. Option A, velocity. Option B, heat. Option C, light. Option D, pressure. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, pressure. 44th bit. Satellite power requirement is provided through dash. Option A, solar cells. Option B, dry cells. Option C, nickel cadmium cells. Option D, lead acid batteries. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, solar cells. 45th bit. A typical output voltage of a solar cell is dash. 45. A typical output voltage of a solar cell is dash. Option A, 0.1 voltage. Option B, 0.26 voltage. Option C, 1.1 voltage. Option D, 2 voltage. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, 0.26 voltage. 46th bit. For obtaining solar energy during sunlight, energy is stored in batteries for dash. Option A, nickel cadmium. Option B, zinc cadmium. Option C, nickel zinc. Option D, hydrogen. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, nickel cadmium. 47th bit. Boiler in thermal power plant converts dash. Option A, heat energy is converted into steam. Option B, steam energy is converted into electrical energy. Option C, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Option D, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, heat energy is converted into steam energy. 48th bit. The fuel used in the nuclear reactor is dash. Option A, cadmium. Option B, radium. Option C, uranium. Option D, zinc. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, uranium. 49th bit. Energy resources which will not run out in long term are called dash. Option A, renewable. Option B, non-renewable. Option C, generating. Option D, producing. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, renewable. 50th bit. Energy of running water is harnessed to run turbines in dash. Option A, hydroelectric power stations. Option B, railway stations. Option C, oceans. Option D, wind turbines. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, hydroelectric power stations. ఫ్రెండ్స్ నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.